Welcome back. Here we are in Dublin on this windy but warm at night. 64 degrees right now. Wind gust 17 miles per hour. That's one of the calmer spots. The wind advisory in effect until midnight tomorrow night for the entire region. And the strongest winds are indeed yet to come with that cold front rolling in tomorrow. Nothing going on rain-wise for us currently. You do see there's a couple showers further off to the north in the northern part of the state. Here's a better look at what we're kind of seeing. Obviously, plenty of cloud cover out there. There might be a few breaks, but we're not concerned about the rain until we get into tomorrow. Been a very warm day by February standards. 75 is 9 above the average of 66 this morning. Woke up 56. That's 14 above that average of 42. And tonight, only getting down to 59 degrees. So going to keep that wind pretty strong. Those gusts will stay over 25 miles per hour for most of the night with mostly cloudy conditions. As for our temperatures around the rest of the region, largely mid to upper 50s. We do see some low 60s for some of the northwestern locations. McRae at 55. That's a cool spot as we roll into our hump day, which is cold front day for us this week. I'm expecting some showers, perhaps a thunderstorm with this. No concerns for severe weather. There has definitely been some severe weather with this system. A number of tornado warnings and whatnot up in like Illinois, around the Great Lakes. That's where the central part of this system is. The low. You have to have some proximity to the low to get those severe weather threats. It's more to it than just having heat and strong winds, because there's plenty of heat going into tomorrow. It'll be a little cooler as we get to Thursday on the backside of that cold front, keeping it mostly cloudy, thinking largely the low 60s for highs, and then upper 50s on Friday, mixed with rain as we go into the afternoon and the evening. Not looking great as we head into Friday night. Why is that important? Well, it's First Friday, as this Friday is March the 1st. So if you had those plans, plan accordingly and bring the rain gear. As for a closer look, let's talk wind. So obviously overnight, 25 to 30 miles per hour with those gusts. We're thinking 30 to 40 miles per hour as you roll throughout much of tomorrow afternoon. These are predominantly coming in out of the southwest. Here comes your front. Showers, perhaps a couple rumbles of thunder in there. I honestly should change our rain percent. I have us at 50 for tomorrow, but given that it is a line, it's probably closer to 80, 90%. Like we're most likely to see rain. Just might last less than 10 minutes as it comes through. And then we get into tomorrow night. That wind's now out of the north. It'll shift to the northeast as we head into Thursday. And winds are going to then settle out of the east over the next several days while we keep this cloudy and wet pattern with us. Not so on rain chances until we get into Thursday night. I think this is cutting it a little close. But overnight Thursday into Friday, most certainly we could begin to see some showers roll in. And maybe the timing of that's a little early and we see them creep into Thursday evening. Here are the rain totals for the cold front. So this does not include anything beyond tomorrow and tomorrow evening. But as you can see, not much expected on the impact. These numbers have changed since earlier. The wet spot now, Sandersville at about 1/5 of an inch. Macon, Warner Robins, we're hovering around 1/10 of an inch. As for the timing of this tomorrow, we likely begin to see it roll in as we get into lunchtime, but rather warm with a high of 80. Your extended forecast is coming up in 10 seconds. Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is brought to you by Volume Chevrolet. A lot of cloud logos and a number of those rain chances again Thursday. Should hold off until we get into at least the late evening hours. Weekend not looking so great. When all this ends up clearing out, you might want to have those allergy meds ready because the trees are going to be putting the pollen out.